Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to show how to fix Instagram verification code not received. Firstly, check your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. Now I'm going to turn it off. Now secondly, I'm going to tap on settings. Scroll down, tap on apps. After you tap on apps, tap on app management. Now search Instagram over here. Tap on Instagram. Now tap on storage usage. Now you need to clear cache and clear data. If it still doesn't work, press Instagram and uninstall it. Now next, tap on messages. After you tap on messages, tap on right side. Scroll down. Now tap on spam and block. Now you need to check over here spam. Lastly, tap Gmail. In Gmail, now you need to tap on three lines which will be in left side. Now tap on spam. After you tap on spam, check your spam over here. If you still have any questions, comment down below.